Welcome to my sweet luck. I'm Michael here. I'm here with One Up on Wall Street Summary Part 2, Picking Winners, Chapter 10, Earnings, Earnings, Earnings. Let's get started. If you're new here, do subscribe to my sweet luck. I'll be sharing best business summaries of best business and investment books, as well as best business definitions and investing terms such as cigar butt investing. What is that? I'll be explaining all that in my video, so do subscribe and do give a thumbs up. And let's get started now. Find out what makes a company valuable. If you're buying, how much should you pay? It comes down to earnings and assets. It can take years for the stock price to catch up with the company's value sometimes. Examples of assets: real estate, machineries, and everything that can go in a giant garage sales if you choose to go out of business and liquidate. If the liabilities are higher, then the result will be negative. Compare the earnings line with the stock price. Stock price will always come back to earnings. You can identify whether a stock is overpriced by comparing with earnings. The famous PE ratio, or price to earnings ratio, is a useful measure whether a stock is overpriced or underpriced. Take the price of a stock and divide it by the company's earnings for the prior 2 months. Example of PE ratio of 10 tells you that it will be 10 years to earn the original investment back. A broker can give you the historical records of PE ratios and track several years before you buy. Avoid stocks with extremely high PE ratio. Future earnings. If you cannot predict future earnings, you can find out how a company plans to increase its earnings. There are 5 basic ways for a company to increase its earnings. Reduce costs, number 1. Number 2, raise prices. Number 3, expand into new markets. Number 4, sell more of its products in the old market. Number 5, revitalize, close, or dispose losing operations. Thanks a lot for your time. Do subscribe and do give a thumbs up, and do share this video if you enjoy. I'll be sharing chapter 11 tomorrow. So I wish you my sweet luck.